Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off email on privacy and safety settings on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click privacy and safety, and here you will find email. Just click like this and this will be turned off, and that's how to turn off email on privacy and safety settings. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.